What is going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new episode of Trading to Glory. Now, last time I titled a Trading to Glory pack rewards. It was like top 200 squad battle pack rewards. You guys didn't even click on that video. You guys don't want to see pack rewards as the title of the video. You guys want to see trading tips on how to make coins. So that's what's still going to be in the title of the video, which we will go over. I just want to start this video with division rival rewards because I ain't going to make this its own video. All right. It's just going to be at the beginning of this Trading to Glory. So let's hop right into it. Now, we can make it real quick and easy on everybody and go with our coins, right? We could just choose coins. But we're not doing that, all right? It's too early in the year, even though it's definitely the smartest choice, all right? There's no doubt in my mind that's the smartest choice. So if you guys haven't chosen your rewards yet, choose the coins. I mean, straight up, it's going to be the correct choice 80 to 90% of the time, and then the other 10% of the time, maybe tradable packs if you're lucky. But since it's this early in the year and there's so many cards that are like 79 to 83 rated that still go for a decent amount, I think maybe tradable packs are the way to go. I get a 50K, a 35K, and two 25Ks. So even if I get nothing in the packs, I could get like, I mean, literally nothing in the pack should give me at least 20 to 25K back. Like if I get nothing. So even if I pack something, I'll get over 30K, like a little something over 30K. I think we can get lucky in at least one pack to get over 57K. That's what we're going to hope for. We're going to take option 2 and hop right into it and hope to God that it gives us something decent. Rank 1 division rival rewards. This is from Div 5. So that's where we got placed in squad battle placements. I went 30-0 on legendary and squad battles. I was the first person to ever get placed to div rivals from squad battles, and I took one for the team because that was a terrible idea. If you guys haven't been placed in rivals yet, which most of you have, but if you haven't yet, do it through the 5 placement games. I mean, it's ridiculous how low they give you. Even if you win 30-0, you got Div 5. I've just been moving my way up. I'm almost in 3 now, just because it's not too hard to win in those lower divisions. Oh, are these? Oh, no, these are freaking 15Ks. These aren't 25Ks. I read it wrong. Premium gold players packs are 25s. These are only 15s. That lowers our odds a little bit. Not gonna lie, that lowers our odds a little bit. That's all right. You know, we can still get something decent. First 15K, it's tradable. So we're gonna look at the entire pack and see if we can sell anything in this pack left. Oh, Davies, first pack. Let's go. There's our profit. Unbelievable. It's not even a board drop. Alphonso Davies. That goes for like 57K. So we already got our coins back. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, when I saw it wasn't a board drop, I lost all faith in the pack, and then I saw Canada. Oh my days. First pack profit. Everything from here on out is just adding coins to our tally. Hopefully we can get something else decent, but I won't be too disappointed if we don't. Okay, Danilo Pereira. I didn't know he went to PSG. I had no idea. He left the Portuguese league, went to PSG. Did not know about that. Next pack is a mega. So these guys, I better be getting at least board drops in these two. If I'm not getting board drops in these two, I mean, that is some rough packs, to be honest. That is some rough packs. We definitely got lucky with that Davies, man. We definitely got very lucky with that. Let's go. Come on. All right, German. Center back. Let's see. Sule, I'm guessing. All right, 84 rated. 84 rated. We'll take that. Let's see if we got anything else in this pack. There could be Bale hiding in here. Hyperlink. Bale. Oh, Boateng, not Bale. I had Bale in my mind because I was hoping he would be hiding in the pack. Phil Foden. John Stones. Got that hyperlink with the guys from Bayern. It looks like Boateng's going for literally discard price right now, so I'm just not going to sell him today. Now the pack we've all been waiting for, the 50K pack. Give us a walkout. I've packed one walkout this year. It was Carvajal. 86 rated, untradeable. Not a crazy good walkout. I want to see my first good walkout here. Come on. Give me something. Brazil's a good sign. Left. No. No way. No. Oh my God. I can't believe this is tradable. I take it back. I take everything back. Do not take the coins. No way. We just got Neymar. And Wan-Bissaka in the same pack. Oh my God. What a start to the video. Absolutely unbelievable. We're going no face cam for the rest of this video. And Neymar Jr. guys, goes for 1.1 million coins, but actually earlier today he went for like 20 to 40k more. We saw one of the most weird things that we've seen in FIFA, which is EA pushing back Weekend League. I don't think we've ever done that before. I mean, they've extended Weekend League before, but they've never pushed it back. So Weekend League doesn't even start now for another 24 hours, which is going to have an effect on the market. And what you see is a lot of people are panic selling. And I honestly don't know why they're panic selling. Maybe it's to do with the fact that they think prices are going to drop tomorrow when people open packs for ones to watch, which is valid. I mean, there's a reasoning behind the panic, but I genuinely don't think that there's much of a reason to panic at all. But right now we're literally not making any profit on our Kai Havertz. So this might be our first investment of the series where we don't make profit. I mean, we're not really going to lose coins because we still got our cards for like 112 or 113k. So if we sold for 116, I mean, we'd lose like 2k per card on tax. But let's be real, we just packed Neymar, not a huge deal at this point for 2k times 6. I mean, we lose 12k on that investment. More so the opportunity cost on that card. But there's so many cards that dropped a ton today, and Kai Havertz didn't really. You know, he dropped, you know, about 3 to 5k, and that's not too bad. He is going to go out of packs tomorrow, so I'm not too worried about the Kai Havertz in terms of price. I think we're going to be totally fine to hold him. And for Neymar, I mean, how many people are going to be packing Neymar in, you know, promo packs for OTW2? I don't know, but there's still going to be demand for Weekend League. So given the fact that Kai Havertz and Neymar are the only cards that I have right now, I think I'm chilling pretty safe. If you guys didn't watch my last episode, I did sell my Bergwijn. I did sell all of my low-rated cards for, you know, a decent profit, actually. That really worked out in the last couple episodes in terms of investments. Just the Kai Havertz hasn't worked out as well as we wanted. But I sold Bergwijn. Sold him for 17k. It was only like 2 to 3 days ago. And now, if you take a look at his price, I mean, he is well under that. Like, literally a third of the price. That is a ridiculous drop. I think that we could probably classify this as the first market crash of the year, although it only happened for certain cards. I mean, the market crash really only happened for low-rated meta and some low-rated fodder. So we look at Bergwijn, and I mean, look at this card. It's not bad. I feel like it could definitely rebound, but guys, listen to me carefully here. We've got demand today on Friday. We do have demand. There's reason for this card to go up. There's reason for any card that's meta to go up today on this Friday because of the Weekend League demand. But you also have to consider that on Sunday and Monday, we're going to see a lot of selling from Weekend League. So there's going to be another opportunity to buy at the end of the weekend if you miss out on any deals right now. So don't rush into an investment because, you know, in terms of panic, you're going to be fine. There's going to be different opportunities to buy this weekend. And I think that cards probably rise going into next week. As we get farther into the year, there's going to be more buying power every single week. So those high-rated meta cards, they'll keep going up, especially the elite cards. I mean, Neymar, I could see probably keep rising for next week. Unless there's a ton of new cards introduced this week, which I don't think there's going to be any other than ones to watch. So I think we're chilling. I think we'll be just fine with that Neymar card. We don't have to rush into a sale, but I'm probably not going to hold it for too long because I want to go ahead and reinvest those coins soon. Some of the things I've been looking at to reinvest my coins in one of those is the Sule. I mean, I took a look at this card earlier today when I packed him, right? We packed him in that 35k pack, and right now he's going for like 5,000 coins, which, looking at an 84 rated card that gets the links he does, and he's not even unusable. I'm not saying he's a great center back, but he is 6'5" with 69 pace, 85 defense, 81 physicality. Looking at him from a usable standpoint, he is not the worst, okay? But he's also amazing for SBCs. And given the fact that we're expecting the Bundesliga Player of the Month to come out soon, and I also expect a Bayern player to probably end up winning it, and if it's not a Bayern player, it'll be Kramaric from Hoffenheim, which I think deserves it, to be honest. So it'll either be a Bayern player or Kramaric. Either way, Bundesliga players are going to be required in some way, shape, or form, whether it's just one Bundesliga player in a squad or a few. They will be needed, and I think Sule is just one of those good cards for links. He was actually a little bit less by a couple hundred coins earlier today when I packed him. Now he's up to 5,200, 5,100, but there's still a ton on the market for this price. And I think with SBCs, you could see this card easily rise 1,000 or 2,000 coins quickly. Like, it wouldn't take long. It wouldn't be a long-term investment. This could be a quick investment, quick profit for you guys at 6 p.m. UK, as long as you're looking at low-rated SBC fodder. So Nicolas Soule is one example, but I mean, there's tons of different cards of different ratings that dropped today from SBC fodder, because we haven't really seen too many SBCs that everybody's doing. I mean, Axel Witsel is a good SBC. Dominic Calvert-Lewin is a good SBC. There's been good SBCs, but there's not been any SBC where the whole community is like, let's do this SBC immediately because it's that good of a deal. And until then, you're going to see pretty good deals on these cards. I mean, Harry Kane for 22K, 88 rated. Again, not unusable. Not a good 88 rated card. People see under 70 pace and they kind of shy away from the card. But at this point in the game, 91 shooting, 83 physicality, 81 dribbling, 80 passing. I mean, people will buy that for their teams and SBC fodder. There's two different reasons for this card as well. So kind of use that double up like I did with Soule and Kane. These cards aren't unusable. And it looks like he might be actually less than 22K, is he? He is. Yeah, 21,500 coins for an 88 rated Harry Kane. We can actually look on Futbin, and I'll go ahead and pull it up right now and just shoot off some names for you guys. But cheapest players by rating, it'll tell you automatically if you go to Futbin, cheapest players by rating. You look at 88 rated cards, Harry Kane is one of the cheapest. I mean, Handanovic is a little less, Kroos by about 1,000 coins, and then there's Harry Kane. And then there's nobody that's even close in terms of 88 rating. Harry Kane, Kroos, and Handanovic are the cheapest three, and there's nothing that's even less than double of those prices. So looking at 88 rated, I think Harry Kane, you're looking good. 87 rated cards are only 14K, so those could be a shout. You're looking at 86 rated cards for less than 10,000 coins. You've got the likes of Verratti, PK. They only go for 10K right now, but just like the other cards I mentioned, good SBC fodder. Links with a lot of things. So for 10,000, 11,000 coins there, that's pretty solid. It's telling me Thiago Silva is the cheapest 85 in the game. Now, you got to be careful because I don't think that's going to be too accurate. You're looking at a 5,900 Thiago Silva. It actually is pretty low. It is one of the cheapest. And given those links, Brazilian, Chelsea, center back, and in Premier League, those are some pretty solid links for an 85 rated, especially at less than 6,000 coins. I might even think that this investment might be better than the Nicolas Soule that I mentioned earlier. And these are just examples. There's plenty that you can find on your own for SBC fodder investments. I just think it's about that time of the year where it's going to start going up. SBC fodder is going to go up. I haven't mentioned SBC fodder in a single episode so far, so you know that I'm not just out here every episode telling you guys, oh, SBC fodder is the move. SBC fodder is going to make you profit. It's a simple trading method. It's definitely straightforward. It's not hard to understand, and you're gonna see a lot of traders, you know, say the words SBC fodder all year, and you don't have to be a good trader to know when to buy SBC fodder at all, but it's still making profit. And I'm not worried about you know, going too in depth with the market index and trying to teach you guys the fluctuation of all that stuff in a single video. If some of the concepts are simpler but they still make profit, there's no reason to skip over them. All right, if they're easy and they make profit, that's something I'm gonna focus on. I mean, there's no reason to make it more difficult than it needs to be. So that's why I like these SBC fodder investments currently. Looking at the ratings, I mean, 84 rated, you've got some for less than 3K, and then for 83 rated, they've been getting down to a K or less. If you guys ever see 83 rateds drop below 1,000 coins, just pick them up as an investment. They're never going to lose you coins. Those cards will always rise up to at least 1.5K at every single week, probably higher than that. But at minimum 1.5K at any point, some point in the week. So if they get less than a K, then go big with investments in them. Looking at anything higher than 88 rated might be a little bit overkill. 89 rated Casemiro, he's 27K, so he's about, you know, about 6K more than Harry Kane. Still gets good links. Benzema 28K. 90 rateds are way overkill, so definitely don't go over that in terms of SBC investments. But if you're looking at meta investments, I think could be a shout. I mean, let's go and take a look at Heung-min Son, kind of gauge where the market's been going in the last couple of days, because this is the card that we've actually looked at in the last couple episodes. Even if we've only invested in him once, we've seen him fluctuate between the prices of 260 to 300,000 coins pretty often. And looking at him right now, he's at his low point, and he's actually lower than what we've seen him at in the past week. He's definitely at his lowest point, which is very weird. It's Thursday night. But I've been warning you guys. I've been warning you to sell early for Weekend League. The only reason I had Kai Havertz on my transfer list is because he's an OTW 2. If you guys watched the previous episodes, you saw I was warning you guys to sell before Thursday because we saw how the casuals were going to sell Thursday. And that's going to drop the market, which is exactly what it did. And it actually did it to a bigger extent than I even thought. I was just playing it safe by selling Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, taking my profit and running, and then investing in Kai Havertz for OTW2. So that worked out really well for me, other than the Kai Havertz not really rising as much as I wanted to, but the selling point was just dead on. And I hope you guys followed my advice there and didn't take any risks by holding till Thursday, because, 90% of the people in the community were going to sell on Thursday, which, I mean, there is a lot more buying power. There is a lot more demand, which it makes sense why you would think it would rise. But if everybody in the community is selling on Thursday, that's just going to counteract the buying power and demand if that much supply is coming off of people's transfer lists. Looking at Neymar Jr., I'm trying to get at least 120. Like as you can see right here, that one didn't sell, but we have seen them sell for a little bit more in a couple of them. I'm looking at 1.1 million right now, but look at this card. I mean, it sold for 1,142 earlier today. So that would have been the sell point for me, but I hadn't been watching Neymar, so I didn't know what time of the day I should sell for Neymar and whatnot. So there's different points in the day. It looks like it was higher. I'm gonna list them overnight and see if I can just get 1,120. I'm not gonna get too greedy with it because I want those coins to reinvest in some of the things that we mentioned in today's video. So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully you guys learned something. And if you did, make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. It really does mean a lot to me that you guys are supporting me. We've gone up a lot of subscribers in the last couple of weeks, and it is amazing to see. So welcome to the community if you're new. Thank you for the support if you're new or not. It's just been an absolute blessing to have you guys around. All my links are down below if you guys want to watch my Twitch stream. I'm live every single day, streaming some Trading to Glory, streaming some SBCs, doing some maybe foot champs this weekend, so check it out. Link is down in the description. That's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.